Maya is a 21-year-old recent college graduate who has been avoiding applying for jobs since graduating a few months ago. She reports feeling anxious or overwhelmed whenever she thinks about the job search, often thinking, "I'm not qualified" or "I'll mess up." As a result, she spends time scrolling on her phone or distracting herself, which leads to feelings of guilt and frustration. The session focuses on exploring her anxiety, practicing mindfulness and cognitive diffusion, clarifying values, and identifying a small, achievable action she can take toward her goal.
Thanks for coming in today, Maya. It's so good to see you. How have things been since graduation?
It's been pretty stressful. I keep saying I'll start applying for jobs, but I just don't.
It sounds like this has been weighing on you for a while.
Yeah, honestly, I thought after graduating things would just fall into place, but like the longer I wait, the harder it gets.
So the pressure builds and it makes it even more overwhelming.
Exactly. I open my laptop, I look at job postings, and then my chest tightens up, and then I hear this voice in my head saying, "You're not qualified," or like, "Why would they hire you?" And then I just give up.
That sounds exhausting. Like part of you wants to take that next step, but another part is trying to protect you from getting hurt or rejected.
Yeah, like I'll end up just scrolling on my phone for hours instead, and then I feel guilty for wasting time.
So it's kind of like this loop: anxiety, avoidance, guilt.
Yeah, and the guilt just feeds the anxiety all over again.
That loop makes sense, Maya, and it's something a lot of people experience. What we're doing in ACT isn't trying to fix your thoughts or make them disappear, but helping you build a different relationship with them so they don't control what you do next.
Okay, I really like that because right now it just feels like they're in charge.
Let's start with one of those thoughts that shows up when you try to apply for jobs. Can you name one?
That I'm not good enough.
Okay. Let's notice what happens when you say it out loud, just as it comes.
I'm not good enough.
What did you feel in your body just now?
My stomach dropped a little.
Yeah, those words can feel heavy. Now, try saying it a little differently. I'm having the thought that I'm not good enough.
Okay, I'm having the thought that I'm not good enough.
What's that like?
It almost feels like I stepped back from it. It's still there, but it's not sitting on my chest.
Exactly. That's what we call diffusion. It's about noticing a thought, not as fact that you have to obey.
That's interesting.
Yeah, we can take it even further if you're up for it. Try singing the thought out loud, maybe to the tune of Happy Birthday.
What? What? What?
Try it. Let's see how it feels for you. Just try saying it.
I'm not good enough.
How does it feel when you sing it?
Kind of silly. It's hard to take it as seriously.
Yeah, that's the power of diffusion. It doesn't erase the thought, it loosens its grip on you. This week, maybe practice catching those thoughts and adding, "I'm having the thought that," and then we'll talk next time about what matters most to you.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Hi, Maya. How did it go trying that "I'm having the thought" practice?
Hi, it helped. The thoughts still came, but it didn't feel as overwhelming.
Okay, that's great. You were noticing them instead of fighting them. Now that we've made a little room for those thoughts, maybe we can explore what really matters underneath all this anxiety.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so imagine if those anxious thoughts weren't holding you back. If applying for jobs didn't feel so overwhelming, what kind of work would actually excite or fulfill you?
I've always wanted to work at a nonprofit or a community center, like somewhere that I can actually help people.
Mm-hmm. That sounds really meaningful to you. What about it feels important?
I like feeling like I'm contributing, like I'm part of something bigger.
So making a difference is a value for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Values like that can act like a compass. They point us in a direction worth moving forward. I'd like to guide you through a short acceptance exercise. Would that be okay?
Sure.
Okay, so go ahead and close your eyes if that's comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And take a slow breath in and out. Now imagine sitting down at your desk with your laptop in front of you. Notice what happens inside your body.
I feel my chest tightening up.
So notice that tightness. See if you can make space around it. Not pushing it away, just letting it exist. Now notice the thoughts that might show up. Maybe I'm not ready, I'll fail. Just acknowledge them. I'm noticing the thought that I might fail. And picture yourself by a gentle stream. Each thought that comes up, you can place on a leaf and watch it float by. You don't have to grab them or push them away. And now picture your hand moving towards the keyboard and typing your name. Just one small step towards something meaningful. Your anxiety is still there, but you can choose what to do next. And when you're ready, open your eyes. So what did you notice?
It wasn't as intense as I expected, so the anxiety was still there, but it didn't stop me in my head.
Yeah, that's it. Acceptance isn't about eliminating anxiety, it's about making room for it while you move towards something that matters. If we think about your value of making a difference, what's one small concrete step you can make this week that moves you closer to that?
Maybe I could make a list of a few nonprofit job postings. I guess I don't even have to apply yet, but just to look.
Yeah, that's perfect. Small steps matter. And if the anxiety shows up, you can use the same techniques we practiced today. Noticing, diffusing, making space, and contributing to going forward.
Okay, that actually feels doable.
And what I love about what you did today is that you faced the thought, practiced loosening its grip, and you reconnected to what matters most to you, and identified a step you can take.
It feels different when you say it that way, like the anxiety isn't the enemy anymore.
Exactly. You don't have to wait for anxiety to disappear to live the life that you want.
That's a relief. That's a relief to hear.
Yeah. Thank you for being open to trying something new. These skills take practice, but you're starting to build more space between your thoughts and yourself. We'll keep going from here, and I'll see you next session.
Thank you.